although my political party is called Wiper Democratic Movement, I can tell you that dictators will be wiped out by youths, not in Kenya, but in Africa. So I think the name of my party is becoming a lot more relevant. Wiping out corruption, wiping out dictatorship, wiping out opulence. You know, Kenyans are amazing. They even look at the way you've stolen their money and you're wearing expensive suits. They even, I think, able to Google and see which shops you bought these things from. And they tell it to you. This minister must remain nameless, but I saw a minister when I was waiting to come here, a cabinet minister in William Ruto's government. And she told me, shockingly, that our own daughter was in the demonstrations against our mother and against our president. This is a Kenyan thing. The youth are saying, well, even if you're in that government, Mama, I'm sorry, I'm out. We're getting our destiny. We'll not allow our country to go to the dogs. And she said, we have all learned our lessons in humility, thanks to Gen Z. No Kenyan will go about showing off what kind of car you're driving, what watch, what shoes you wear. Yes, they're saying, wait, and it's so biblical. They've even put order in churches. Nobody will go carrying 20 million shillings in a church function and donate it. They'll be asked by Gen Z, wait a minute, we know your salary. Look at the order that this, within just under 1 month, what has happened in our country. More importantly, Gen Z have shown Kenya, the region, the continent, and the world how youth-inspired active participation through representation, education, innovation, and policy reforms can bring democratic ideals to life, resulting in the defeat of authoritarian practices. I believe that if we are to realize any of our visions, be it Vision 2030, as in Kenya, or Agenda 2063, which is Africa's blueprint and master plan for transforming Africa into the global powerhouse of the future, then our youth must have their seats at the table today, not tomorrow. Now,